9x7 oval stone. It's going to go into this ring. Working on the bezel closest to you. Never in front because it'll slip around. Holding it on a 45-degree angle. So the bottom part of the high-speed steel burr is going to do the excavation. Now what I'm doing now is I'm hammering right from the end all the way around to the other end. I'm leaning a bit more heavier on the ends, not necessarily the sides. We're only going to clean up the top of the hole. That's all we're going to do with this. That's where the pavilion of the stone's going to rest against, not in. What I'm doing now is securing the stones for the next step of hammering. I don't want the stones to go flying around my bench or the room. I want the stones to stay in place. The stones are embedded into the channel. You can actually come down, hammer straight on. No risk of breaking a stone. Wherever my hammer went, my pumice wheel will surely follow. Job is done.